Magandang araw! Sama-sama tayong matuto sa Teacher Cell Learning Resource Channel. English 4, Quarter 1, Week 3. For the content, using structural analysis in unlocking meaning of words. For the short review, answer the question: how can washing your hands help prevent the spread of common colds, and why is it important to wash your hands regularly? Washing your hands removes germs that cause colds, and doing it regularly helps stop the spread to others. Analyze the meaning of the words based on the root words. Write the word meanings in your own words in the last column. For the first word, we have laboratory. Root, Latin root, laboratorium. Meaning of root: it is a place for labor or work. What is the meaning of the word? It is a special room or building where you do experiments. Investigation, Latin root vestigium. Meaning of root: footprint or track. What is the meaning of the word? To study or examine closely. Next word is diagram. Root, Greek root diagraphin. Meaning of root: mark out by lines. What is the meaning of the word? A drawing that shows how parts fit together or how something works. Next is microscope. Greek roots mikroskopin. Meaning of root: small to look at. What is the meaning of the word? A tool that makes tiny things look bigger. Next word is astronomy. Greek root astron. Meaning of root: star. What is the meaning of the word? Learning about things that are not on the planet Earth. For the lesson purpose, here is a screenshot of a search result when one does an online search of a word definition. Highlight the information one can find, particularly the details on word etymology or word meaning. Science. It is a noun. The systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation, experimentation, and the testing of theories against the evidence obtained. The world of science and technology. Similar: branch of knowledge, area of study, discipline, field. A particular area of science, plural noun, sciences. Veterinary science, a systematically organized body of knowledge on a particular subject, the science of criminology. Archaic, knowledge of any kind. His rare science and his practical skill. Origin: Latin scire, know. Latin scientia. Old French: science. Middle English. Middle English denoting knowledge, from Old French, from Latin scientia, from scire, know. The modern sense developed in the late 18th century. For the unlocking content vocabulary, here are definitions. Identify the parts of the words that follow. Check the appropriate label. For the word presentable, present is a root. Able is a suffix. Next word, international. Inter is a prefix, and national is a root. Endless. End is a root and less is a suffix. Work on this exercise, which is adopted by Andrew Sheehan from Redmond, Ellis, and Vinay. Which of these words can be combined with less and full? List the words that can be derived. We have the words use, harm, care. For use, it could be useless and useful. For harm, harmless, harmful. Care, careless, careful. Thought, thoughtless, thoughtful. Pain, painless, painful. Hope, hopeless, hopeful. Analyze the information on word parts in the table. Note the change in meaning when a prefix or suffix is added. For the prefix, we have mis and re. For the root, we have use. And for the suffix, we have full and less. The root word use, its meaning is take something for a purpose to get a result. Useful, able to be used for a purpose. Useless, not able to achieve intended purpose. Misuse, use something in a wrong way. Reuse, use again. Here are common Latin and Greek roots and their meanings. Think or search for more words with the same root. For the Latin root, we have aqua, meaning water. Example words, aquarium, aquamarine. Next is aud, to hear. Audience, auditorium. Multi, means many. Multimedia, multiple. Vis, means see, visible, vision. For common Greek roots, we have anti, means against. Example, antivirus, antidote. Bio, means life. Examples, biology, biography. Micro, means small. Example, microscope, microphone. Phone, means sound. Examples, telephone, saxophone. Here is the list of common prefixes and suffixes along with their meanings. Infer the meaning of the words and write in the last column the definition using your own words. You can also think or search for more words with the same prefix or suffix. Here are the common prefixes. The prefixes im, meaning not. Example words, impossible. What is the meaning of the word? Not possible. For invincible, not visible. Illegal, not legal. Irregular, not regular. Misspell, spell wrongly. Misfortune, bad or unlucky event. Disagree, not agree. Dislike, not like. Common suffixes. We have prefix able, full, less. Here are the example words. Affordable, can be afforded. Accessible, can be accessed. Helpful, full of help. Spoonful, spoon is full. Endless, without end. Bottomless, without a bottom. For the lesson activity, let's have word cards. Analyze the meaning of words through structural analysis. Materials needed: dictionary, pens. Instructions: work in pairs. Choose 3 words from the reading texts in lessons 1 and 2. Find information about the words by using your dictionary or searching the word online. Complete a word card for each word. Here is a table to be completed. For word number 1, let's have word number 2 and word number 3. Here are the possible answers. For word number 1, unkindness. Dictionary meaning: the quality or state of being unkind, lack of kindness. Filipino or mother tongue translation: kawalan ng kabaitan. For the structure: prefix on, root word kind, suffix ness. Example sentence: the unkindness in her voice made the child cry. Next, word number 2 is unhappy. Dictionary meaning: feeling sad or not satisfied, not happy. Filipino or mother tongue translation: malungkot. Structure: prefix on, root word happy. Example sentence: she was unhappy because she lost her favorite toy. For word number 3, we have disagree. Dictionary meaning: to have a different opinion, to not agree. Filipino translation: hindi sumasang-ayon. Structure: prefix dis, root word agree. Example sentence: I disagree with my friend about the answer to the question. For learners' takeaways, write or talk about what you learned with the help of the following prompts. Learning about the word parts is helpful in blank. I will study more words so I can blank. Reflect on how you learned by answering the following questions. What is one idea that you understand 100% from today's lesson? What could you have done today to help yourself learn better? For your formative assessment, Word Wall Project. Start a word wall project. New vocabulary words will be posted on the bulletin board every week. You can display your word cards, word family trees, or word flashcards. Complete each sentence by filling in the blank with the correct prefix or suffix from the list provided. Here are the list of prefixes or suffixes. Number 1, the project was blank possible to finish on time. 2, she felt blank care after the accident. 3, this book is blank read, which means anyone can easily understand it. 4, his explanation was blank, clear, causing confusion. 5, the scientist made an blank accurate prediction. Here are the correct answers: impossible, careless, readable, unclear, and inaccurate.